Hello, hello everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at a couple of opportunities that I'm currently stocking on the pound. And I want to start with my favorite, and that is pound Swiss. So let's jump quickly into the higher time frame, into the weekly chart, and what we can see is that after weeks and weeks of consolidating above this level in and around the 1.1050 area, we finally broke lower. Not only did we break lower, we've got a weekly candle here that broke the low and closed below it, and then we continued further. So showing some strength here within the sellers. What I also like about this setup is that we broke these previous weeks as well. So it looks nice for the sellers, and I'm looking for a pullback. So if we take a look here on the daily, we can see this level, we can see the number of touches that we had around the level and the strong break that we had through that level and the continuation of that move. So what I'm looking for is a pullback to test this level from below. I also drew the Fibonacci retracement of the latest move from the high to the low, and we can see that currently the 61.8% retracement is clustering very nicely with this level. So my plan for this market is to wait for a pullback into this area, any signs that the sellers are returning into the market, and I'll be looking for a continuation of this move. The next one is on the pound yen. Now, with this one, tomorrow we have the Bank of Japan interest rate decision, and the market is awaiting the decision because at some point there is the belief that the Bank of Japan is going to need to move away from its ultra loose monetary policy. The thing is that the market is not really sure where is that going to happen. So we might see not a lot of reaction, and we might see some big reaction to the policy decision. So pay attention around that time because it can be some very high volatility news. But what I'm looking for on this one, I'm looking for some more compression above this 181 level. So if the pound continue to weaken, then I'll be looking for a potential break of this 181. We can see a couple of touches at that level in the past. We also already broke lower, so we tested these areas, came back up, but couldn't push any higher. We're still looking to make lower highs and lower lows in the recent price action. So I want another lower high. I want another compressions of price, and then I'll be looking for a break and a move lower. Now, the third one is in case the pound is going to get a bit stronger. So with this one, I am looking at the level of 168.60. So the touches around here are marked it in purple. And what I'm looking for is once again a compressions of price. So we only have one touch at this area so far. I want to see the build up of buying momentum. We already made a higher high here. We might get a pullback and then another touch at that area. But this one, I'm only looking to take it up until the area of the 170. So a more of a short-term trading opportunity because the higher time frame, if we'll take a look here, is still to the downside. So we have high, low, lower high, and a lower low on the weekly, and a similar scenario we can see here on the monthly. We pushed higher, but then we broke that previous higher low. So it is against the direction of the higher time frame, and it could be just the pullback in the context of the monthly. So if I get a consolidation underneath this 168.60 area, then I'll be looking for that move toward that 170. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.